The origin of coffee beans can be traced back to the region known today as Ethiopia in East Africa. According to popular legend, the discovery of coffee dates back to around the 9th century. Coffee holds a distinguished place as one of the world's most beloved beverages, with a consumption rate that ranks it prominently after water and tea. The intricate flavor of coffee is influenced by the specific region where it's cultivated, which dictates factors like altitude, climate, and soil composition, as well as the roasting and blending techniques employed by coffee makers. The coffee plant's journey commences with the germination of its seeds. These sprouted seeds are carefully planted in conducive soil. The flowering stage of coffee plants appears in around a week, with small white flowers appearing on the branches during this period. The buds typically grow and transform into red cherries over a span of around 6 to 9 months. Pickers selectively handpick the ripe red cherries on the coffee plants, leaving the green cherries until they get ready. The fresher the berry, the better the flavor. Water channels wash the cherries, and then they go to a pulping machine. The cherries are pulped to remove the outer skin and fruit. Then they sift the beans to separate them from the green cherries that pass through the harvesting process by mistake. Next, the drying process for coffee beans is a crucial step in coffee production that helps reduce the moisture content of the beans to a level suitable for storage. Workers spread the parchment-covered beans in a delicate layer on drying beds or patios. With a practiced touch, they turn and rearrange the beans throughout the day to ensure consistent exposure to the sun's warmth and gentle breeze. As the sun sets, the beans are left to rest overnight to extract the most flavor. After the beans are dried, they undergo the milling process, which involves using specialized machines to remove the parchment layer and prepare the beans for further processing and roasting. The milling process is a key step in coffee production that transforms dried coffee beans with parchment skin into a yellow or tan color. The beans are then sorted and graded based on various criteria, such as size, density, and quality. The heaviest beans are the first grade. First-grade beans are separated from lower-grade ones. This sorting process ensures that only beans of consistent quality move forward in the production process. The beans are often bagged and stored in a controlled environment to maintain their quality until they are ready for roasting. These beans are called green beans at this stage. Green coffee beans are not actually green in the sense of a bright or vibrant green color. They are more accurately described as pale or yellowish green. These green coffee beans are now ready for roasting. Roasting coffee beans significantly affects the flavors, aromas, and overall characteristics of the cup of coffee. The roasting process involves various chemical reactions that lead to the development of different flavor compounds. The longer coffee beans are roasted, the less caffeine they tend to contain. The heart of our factory lies in the roasting process. The green beans, despite their initial appearance, are transformed during roasting. As the temperature rises to 180 degrees Celsius, chemical reactions occur, turning the beans from their pale or yellowish-green color to the rich brown hue we associate with coffee. The beans are usually roasted in less than 20 minutes. The master roaster must check regularly their color during the roasting process. This browning process not only changes the color, but also brings out the flavors and aromas that make coffee so irresistible. When the beans are ready, they flow into a container where they undergo cooling through forced air. From humble, pale green beans to the captivating allure of rich, roasted browns, witness the captivating journey of coffee beans as they evolve from raw potential to a symphony of flavors and aromas. 2 kilos of coffee beans are enough to make around 200 cups of coffee. Now, some of the roasted coffee beans are ready to be packaged, while the other roasted coffee beans go into a grinder, then they will be packaged. Different grind sizes are used for various brewing methods, from espresso to drip coffee. Over at the espresso machine, the barista grinds the coffee beans to a fine consistency, places the grounds into a portafilter basket, and uses a tamper to compress the coffee. The barista then attaches the portafilter to the espresso machine's brewing group and starts the brewing process. The machine's high-pressure pump is activated and hot water is forced through the coffee grounds, extracting the espresso. The extracted espresso is collected in a cup. If desired, the person can use a steam wand to froth milk for milk-based drinks like cappuccinos and lattes. Afterward, they remove the used coffee grounds from the portafilter and clean the machine. Coffee is more than just a beverage. It's a companion to our experiences, a catalyst for connections, and a source of comfort. It's a bridge that unites cultures, transcending boundaries, and reminding us of our shared humanity. Let's take a moment to reflect on the remarkable odyssey that each coffee bean undertakes. From the lush, sun-drenched coffee farms to the state-of-the-art roasting and blending chambers, the story of coffee is one of dedication, passion, and artistry. In every aromatic sip, we're tasting the essence of countless hands that have nurtured, harvested, and transformed the coffee bean. Each drop is a testament to the generations of expertise that have fine-tuned this craft, a symphony of flavors and aromas that dances on our taste buds. But the story doesn't end here. It continues with each cup brewed, with each connection made over shared conversations, and with each moment of solace found in a busy world. So the next time you savor that cup of coffee, remember the journey it undertook to reach your lips. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.